everybody, I'm in Cricut Design Space and I'm going to make a layered or stacked design of a snowflake today. So I'm in images and I put snowflake in the search bar and I'm going to scroll through this pretty quick because I know it's pretty far at the bottom, the one I want to use. Let it catch up every now and then. Here it is. This is the one I'm going to do today. So I'll just select the one I want and then click Insert and it'll go to my canvas. Okay, so I like to start with my design about 6.5 inches, and you can make it smaller, bigger, whatever you want to do. But I'm going to make it to fit an 8-inch square. So that way, if you want to use 8.5-inch cardstock, you can. So what we're going to need is a copy of this. And I hit Control C, and then Control V as in Victor to paste it. And then I'm just going to hide this. I'm going to hide the first one, because that way I'll always have it in case I make a mistake with working with it. So I'll go to my shapes and I'll get a square. You need to make a square at 8 inches. So I just go up here to the top and change the size, put in 8 inches and hit enter. And we'll get 12 layers of the snowflake and then 1 layer for the background. So I'm going to change the size of this to 6.5. Now I've noticed up here it's 2 different sizes. Right to left, its width is 6.5 now, and the height is only 5.989. But if I change them, it'll skew my snowflake, and I don't want to do that. So all my movements and changes that I'm going to make to my measurements is always going to be in the width. That way I can make sure everything stays exactly as I want. Because we're going to have to change the size for each layer. So first I'm going to go into contour down here at the bottom right while I have my snowflake highlighted, selected. And I'm going to come in here where it says hide all contours. And then I'm going to click out. And we'll need this. Just right click on the canvas and hit paste and get another snowflake. I'm going to make sure I change that to 6.5. Everything's 6.5, both of these. And this is 8 inches. So what we're going to need to do is put this with the square, align it, center, down here at the bottom, we're going to slice. I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to take this and move these 2 together. I'm going to select both of them, align them to center, and now we're going to weld them. They're both still selected, and we'll weld. That's our layer 1. Now we're going to go through the same process for each layer. So I'm going to go ahead and paste another copy. And each layer we're going to make bigger by 0.125. So that was 6.5. We're going to change this to 6.625. Same with our background piece here. 6.625. We're going to get another square. Make it 8 inches. another solid piece here. Select both of them. Align center and slice. Delete this one. Put these two together. Select them both. Align to center. And they're both still selected. And weld. We have 2 layers. Paste a new snowflake up here. And I'm going to go to 6.750. Same thing here. 6.750. Make our square 8 inches. Make sure you select both of them, align them to center, slice, delete our first one here, take our background, our square, select both of them, align center, and weld. This is it, guys. It's just 12 pieces, all made the same way. This is what I found to work. I don't know, I'm sure there's many other ways to do it, but inside of Design Space, this is the best way I figured out. Make our square 8 inches. Paste another snowflake. We're going to change this to 6.875. Didn't I just do that one? Let me see. I'm going to undo a couple of times here and see what this says. 6.75. Okay, no, we did not. I knew there was a 7 in there. So this is going to be 6.875. 6.875. Enter. 6.875. Oops, not 6. 5. Enter. Alright. 6.75. Making sure that they're the right measurements. Do not want to mess that up. Select both of them. We're going to align center. Slice. Delete the first layer. Put those two together. Highlight both of those. Align center. And weld. We're on a roll. Moving forward. And paste another snowflake. And I'm going to change it to 7.0. Both of these. Get another square. Make it 8 inches. Put it together with the background piece here, the solid piece. Select both. Align center. Slice. Delete this one. Put these two together. Select both of them. Align center. And weld. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. So we're getting there. Only 7 more to go. Okay, so the next measurement is 7.125. Paste a snowflake. 7.125. together, get my square, make it 8 inches, get the solid piece, select both, align center, slice, delete this first layer, move the next layer together with the snowflake, select both, align center, and weld. Okay, let me get these together and I'll show you how it's looking so far. So just select them all, align center, and there it is. We're getting a good stack going. I'm just going to move these over again, give myself some room, paste another snowflake, and we're going to change the size to 7.25. Get our square, make it 8 inches. Take our contoured piece, align center, slice. Delete this one, move these together, select both of them, align center, weld. Okay, another snowflake. I'm going to make this 7.375. Those, get us another square, make it 8 inches. Select both of them, align center, slice, delete the first layer, put those two together, select them, align center, and weld. So now we're going to change the size to 7.5. Get our square again, 8 inches. Put those two together, align center, slice. Delete this layer, put these two together, select both of them, align center, and weld. Paste another snowflake. We're going to change this to 7.625. Get a square, make it 8 inches. The solid piece and that square together. Select both of them, align center, and slice. Delete this layer, put these two layers together, select both of them, align center, weld. Alright, getting there. Couple more to go. paste my snowflake. We're going to go to 7.75. Make our square 8 inches. Select our solid and our square. Select them both. Align center. They're still selected, so we slice them. Delete this first layer in the center. Move this together with the snowflake. Select both of them. Align center. And weld. I'm going to paste another snowflake. I'm going to change the size to 7.875. Same for the background piece. 7.875. Get another square. Change it to 8 inches. The solid piece. Select those two. Nope, selected the snowflake. Didn't want that. There we go. Select just the two. Align center. And slice. Delete this one. I said delete. Sometimes my fingers don't do what my brain tells them to. Select both of these. Align center. And weld. So we can continue. It's getting real close to the edge, so I think it's best that we just stop here. I'm going to hide this piece because that way it'll be in the design and I can make more layers. If I make it 12 by 12, I can add more layers. Just depends on what you want to do. So I'm going to get another square. I'm going to make it 8 by 8, 8 inches. And change the color to black. And that'll be our background. So I'm going to stick it kind of on top of these guys. And then I'm going to hit arrange at the top here and send to back. Okay, slide my screen over here. I'm going to select everything right up here. Select all. Align. Center. Boom. There's our stack design. I like it. Let's zoom in a little bit. See if I can get it all on the screen. I thought this would be nice. Could have put something in the middle if we wanted. Before everything started, I could have put a star in here and welded it into the center. That's it, you guys. It does not take long. It's just very repetitive and very simple. You can try it with just about any design. Something that has more empty space, the better. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope that you try it out for yourself. You can do it. It took under 20 minutes. Anyone can do it. Just pick a design and go with it. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more in the future, hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great day.